How to cancel your Tailor Brands subscription. Step 1. Start by visiting tailorbrands.com and logging in. You can also access your account from the app or dashboard. Step 2. Once logged in, click your profile or avatar in the top right corner. Go to Account Settings or Subscription. That's where you'll manage billing and cancellation settings. Step 3. On the subscription page, locate your current plan. Click Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Then follow the prompts. It may ask for a reason. Confirm your choice to terminate the subscription. Step 4. You should see a message like your subscription has been canceled. An email confirmation will also be sent. Double check your inbox. Your account will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. Step 5. If you don't see cancellation confirmation or receive a renewal charge, reach out to support at tailorbrands.com. Check your billing details in account billing to ensure the subscription is fully canceled. Step 6. Need your logo or branding elements? Download all your files before your subscription ends. Some assets accessed may expire afterwards. And that's it.